If this video's popped up in your feed and you're not sure why, it's because I think I'm hacking the YouTube algorithm. I'm gonna try and get as many comments as I can on this video, and you're gonna see why a little bit later in the video. Today is Sunday, the 6th of July, and in 10 days, I'm going to the Nurburgring, and this is the car that's gonna take me. I bought it basically sight unseen. Went there, paid for it, chucked it on a trailer, and got it back here. Now the engine definitely runs. I'll insert the clip now.
Sounds fine, to be fair.
But unfortunately, the chain readings are at -8 and -10. -8 is the limit, but it runs. Doesn't run for very long though, because it's got electrical issues. The alternator is faulty, but it's got a few goodies on it. It's got Coney suspension. He's done fresh brakes, drilled and grooved discs, and then fresh pads. Wheels are in good condition. I'm going to stick some different wheels and tyres on. But the plan is that this car is getting one final trip. So I bought this car with one of two things in mind. I was either going to fix it up and sell it on, or I was going to break it for parts. So as a compromise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it enough to be able to use it for this trip to the ring, and then I'm going to break it for parts, because the cost of doing the chains and then anything else I might find that I need to do to make it retailable is going to outweigh what the car would be worth. Now, other than fitting the alternator, which is there, into the engine bay, somewhere about there, other than doing that, I shouldn't have to do much to this car because the previous owner was using it and driving it as a daily. So in theory, should be just ready to just drive over, do some laps and drive home. Obviously, once I get it up in the air, if I see anything that's dangerous, I will address it. But other than that, this will just be an £800 car being driven to the ring and back. So yeah, anyway, I want to do something crazy. My cunning plan to get as much engagement on the video about this car as I can get is for every single comment that is included below this video, every single comment, no matter what it says, I'm going to write it somewhere on the car. So paint pen, permanent markers, all that stuff is going to get written all over the car. Now it's going to look really lame if there's only 20 or 30 things written on the car. So I need as many comments as possible underneath this video. So get commenting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then you get to see me fixing it next, and then taking it to the ring and seeing, can you drive an £800 car, 1,000-mile round trip, do a few laps of the ring, and make it back in one piece. You're going to find out if you're subscribed. And like I say, comment down below. Make sure you comment in something funny, any random phrase you want, anything you write, I will put on the car. Now, if there's swear words, I will of course put asterisks and things like that. But honestly, and then obviously shy of anything like, I don't know, racially inappropriate or trying to start a war between England and Germany, nothing like that, please. But anything you write in the comments below is going to end up on that car. So get right in and give me something to do over these next 10 days, filling this car up with all your comments.